Have you ever wondered how to make money by walking? Well, this video is for you. This app is called Sweatcoin. It pays you to walk. Each 1,000 steps is $1, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it and how to make money from it. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So first off, we're going to start off with downloading it. So I have a link down below that you could use for faster download. And what I mean by that is like not really searching. You just click on the link, accept the invite, and just download the app. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I'm on the app right now. You could invite friends and get 5 sweatcoin. So next up we have the 20-minute boost. So this can boost your steps 2 times more. So like when you're walking or something and you want to get like double the amount of steps, you can always use this. This is a daily boost that you could use. So yeah, that's a helpful thing. So next up we have the daily bonus. So you just click on try your luck, then you watch some ad like 30 seconds, then it will spin and give you a prize. The prizes are from 0 to 1,000 sweat coins, which is 1,000 sweat coin is a lot. And yeah, you could make money from that as well. You can see here that 2 of them are locked because I didn't walk 500 steps. So this is for everyone. So if you want to get 2 more daily bonuses, you just need to walk 500 steps more. So yeah. A lot of people may ask me this, and it's how do you collect steps or how do you make steps? So off the bat, you can always turn off your phone and just do this because, yeah, you're just going to put your phone in your pocket or just hold it and run or walk. So yeah, and that's kind of how you're going to make steps. So yeah, that's it. Simple as that.